What is the actual reason why you open a bottle of Coke and it starts fizzling? What actually performs the magic is carbonate ion, CO3 2-. This ion is the reason why Coca-Cola is called a carbonated drink. So the Coke actually contains carbonate ion in form of carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is when two hydrogen ions interacted with this and we have H2CO3. This carbonic acid is actually a weak acid that is stable under high pressure. So right inside the bottle of Coke that has not been opened, this carbonic acid is relatively stable. Now when the bottle of Coke is opened, the pressure inside the Coke will reduce, and reduction in pressure leads to the breaking down of this carbonic acid into water and carbon dioxide. Two hydrogen atoms combine with one oxygen atom to form water. And another thing to form is CO2. This CO2 gas is the reason for the fizzling. If you are new to this channel, follow us and click on the subscription button. Bye!